Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here. I want to discuss about the today's trade. What happened in the today? It was a narrow range. It's an expiry. Before taking the trade, I prepare myself. I look at the SGX Nifty and also I prepare myself for the imbalance area. This is the gap actually. This is the gap between this area and this area. Yesterday, Nifty tried to move above this level, above this resistance. So I was thinking, and even the SGX Nifty was suggesting 15,575, 95, 600, so many values were there. But you should not get confused by all those things. You should take on your trade. But what are your levels? These are the levels. 17,588 on the upper side. And 17,000, 17,487 on the downside. This was the area and Nifty penetrated into this area. Okay. So let me go back to this is the preparation what I did. That is it. Because I was thinking it will go up to this. We do not know how the price will play and all those things. Now I will go to 3 minutes chart because I'm an intraday trader. You should prepare yourself for the intraday structure. So if you see for the 2 days range, 2 days or 3 days range. See, actually swing started from here and ended up here. And this was the yesterday. Yesterday, it broke this structure. Before going home, it broke the structure little bit and intraday swing was from here to here. Intraday swing was from 17,421 to 17,540. What is this level? 539.95. So suppose if price wants to go up, if it is a continuation, probably it may become a continuation. That was the anticipation even the SGX Nifty was suggesting. So last structure from 245 to the end 330, this was the structure formed. This was the structure formed. It made an high and it retraced back. This was the structure which was formed in the market. Today, what happened? I'll zoom it out. Opening bell itself, it opened here, opened at 17,519 and traveled up to, no. I think it opened and made a low, I believe. Let me go to 1 minute chart, then it will be clear. Yeah. Yes. Opened here and made a low. First it made a low, immediately it traveled up to, so swiftly it traveled up to the level of 17,487.6. Nowadays, 1 minute range becomes very important rather than 15 minutes. If you just look at it, see, this is the whole area of retracement and all these things contained within the price of 920, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So price opened here and I was knowing the price action because when he has pushed it higher up, definitely he will come back. So I was waiting for the price to come back because he took the liquidity over here. He pushed beneath this level low, and this was the structure which was broken up and it had retraced back. So price came to this level and took the liquidity. So it came down again. It came down again. So you can make very swiftly because big player will be there active. Actually, big candles will be forming only in this period. See, the play was only up to 941. 41. So when price came to this level and was able to hold this, and you can see the price action also, price action, you can see the price started breaking this high. This candle was a positive candle and this was a break of the structure. Break of the structure, and in this area, it went sideways. These are all liquidity areas. It went sideways and then price took off and made an high of, took off this high and made an higher high and made an high of 17,555. Let me check where was my level and mark the level at 17,590 and one more level at, why I'm not seeing that? Let me go to hourly. This is the 487. So it is way below this level, which Nifty was able to go to this level. Was able to go to this level. And there I was able to see rejection candles over here, continuous rejection candles over here. So these rejection candles suggest all stop loss hunting, stop losses. Stop loss hunting took place and I came to know price is going to come back. But when price come back, when there is a liquidity like this, up move and swift up move and down move, see swift down move and swift up move, usually the price will travel in a very slow manner. Slow manner. What happened? You can see it came down, gone up, engaged retail traders. Retail traders were engaged. Going up, it became choppy. And when it reached this level, then only there was some sort of movement to the upside. But it could not go to this. This was the level where it halted exactly. I tweeted in the Twitter that it is forming an head and shoulder pattern. So quickly you can make the trade, option trade by put option here and by call option. And don't come out of this game. Don't play this game. Don't play this game. If you are not expert, you do not know how to play, you will be chopped out. So better not to play this and wait for the levels, crucial levels where liquidity he wants to hunt. Big institutions, they want to hunt. Usually they will hunt the liquidity beneath the equal lows. See, this is the area actually. This is the area. Equal high and equal low. Usually they will hunt the liquidity beneath this because all the people who have gone here, all the people who have gone long, they will be keeping their stop losses. So there will lot of liquidity. Money is there in this area. Lot of money is there in this area. They will get easily liquidity. So they will hunt this level. You can see price came back to that level. Let me put this. Okay. Price came back to that level and pushed little bit lower and started moving up. You can see the movement up. This was the good move around 12:10 actually. It again came back to 17,533. From 17,461 to 17,533. That too, it's not a straight move. Actually, it was choppy. So price moved up in a momentum like this. Momentum like this and chopped around. Chopped around and then it went up and then it went sideways. You can see how it has been played. And whoever thought, whoever gone long, they hunted this low, equal lows, and liquidity created, and again it started moving up. And then finally it broke this level and finally it came down to the level beneath. This was the liquidity grab on the yesterday, 17th, very quick move. Actually yesterday it was a very, very quick move within 2-3 minutes candle. You can see that this is the low traffic area. So fast it came up and then price moved up and closed at the top. You can see how it closed at the top. And this price action was the continuation of previous day action. Price could not go beyond that because it needs liquidity. Big player wants liquidity. It is coming down. So expiry was around 17,462. If you recollect on that day, let me go to daily and I'll show it to you. I'll remove drawings. And this was the level from where it had rejected and it has closed there. Even though as if it appeared, it made an high, but the monthly close was around 17,450. If you go to the monthly candle, you might want to check the connection settings in the Google format. This was the open, actually open of the previous month, and it closed short of it. And tomorrow, one more day is there for the monthly close. Okay. So this is how the play has taken place. See, price had moved up. You can see the monthly candles over here. And this buy candle was mitigated by liquidity hunt was taken place. It went below 15,692. 15,676, and the price has been, the whole month price has been pushed. So this was the up candle. This is the breakout candle. Price has made a breakout from this level. Price is traveling about the high of 17,136. all these areas are stop loss have been hunted. All the people who had gone long, they have kept the stop loss and they have been hunted. Now price is coming back to this level. We should see what is the price action. Now price has come back to this level. Whether it will halt over here around this area and then revert back, we do not know. So maximum it can go up to 17,716.5, and then we have to see the price action, how the candle is formed. Suppose it may close, this candle may close around this. Suppose if it close around this area, for example, tomorrow, like this, or next month candle may start from here. It should not go below the level of 17,136. And then it has to, if it goes like this, it can travel further and make a new high like this. Now that's how the price action will take place. I hope how you can take the trade. This is the way you have to look for the traders. I request you people while trading, look for the equal highs and equal lows. That is the place, that is the money spot area. Money spot area where lot of liquidity will be there. For example, this is the money spot area. Money spot area. So here you can see the liquidity has been hunted. Here you can see liquidity. This is the liquidity area. Stop loss has been hunted. I change the color. So stop loss has been entered and the price broke above this, and you can see this is the equal high. Equal high, and whoever kept the stop losses, it has been hunted over here and price came back and again it mitigated. Now price has stopped like this. Price has stopped like this. So this is the equal high and equal low, price has gone up. So price can come back to this area to take the support. Whether it will come back within a day or whether it will take 2 days, we do not know. What is this area? That is the level of 17,225, or otherwise it even can come back to hunt this liquidity, 17,149. That's why. So if it comes to this level, they will hunt the liquidity. Probably price may react from this area. Price may react from this area and it may travel like that, go past that. So it will gather the liquidity, hunt the liquidity, and gain momentum to go past this level to cross to the 17,676 to 17,700. So at present, you can expect correction in the Nifty to this level, because they will hunt the liquidity beneath this, and they will gather momentum. This will be a big red candle, and this low traffic area will be hunted like this and pushed up. This is how the price action takes place. So previously I used to see for the price action, but I used to wonder why double top, double bottom were created, and double bottom, tops are money hunting areas. And also you can also see for the head and shoulder pattern. There is a reason for that. Head and shoulder pattern is created. So in this way you can, so I was able to take early in the morning because I was prepared for this trade. And mark the structure. I was prepared for this trade. This trade itself will give you a lot of money. This trade is around 71 points only, not much. From here to here, 71 points. From there, it came down. It was very choppy. Even though it has come down to the almost 99 points and also down to 120 points, it was very choppy and strainful. So option buyers or probably option sellers will gain the money. If they would have sold the call option, 17,600 call option, they would have made money by the end of the day. Hope this will help you. But retail traders cannot sell the call option or sell the put option. It requires a lot of money. So for a buy trader, buying call option or a put option, one has to wait for the right time to enter when the big player becomes active. When he becomes active, then only you have to enter. So he was active only in this period. He was active only in this period. Later, this was the play by retailers. That's why most of the people, big money, big people, big retailers having good sum of money, they will play for option selling. That's why they say, they come on YouTube and say, oh, option selling is the only thing one can make money. But even the small player also can make money by buying the call option or the put option by timing the market. Timing the market and marking the liquidity areas where the liquidity hunt will take place and wait for there. So you can also enter with him. If you enter with him, you will get a momentum and you can make money. Easily you can make money. I hope this will help you to understand how to take the trade and option. Even otherwise, even the future selling, all it is a strainful actually. See the choppiness. See, within 30 minutes, they finished the game. And it took more than almost throughout the day to come to this level. 70 plus 70 points, 140 points you have gained within 30 minutes. The whole day play was 120 points. That's it. Okay, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off. Thank you very much.